जिला परिषद प्रेसिडेंट कोरापुट अछंती सस्मिता मेलेका महोदय मुझे अनुरोध करी निजर अभिभाषण रखिए।
कोरापुट देई जाने मागी जाने नी ताली हुळहुळी मध्य मागिबार आवश्यकता पड़ेनी।
Thank you. Good morning one and all. Respected Honorable Chief Minister, respected ST and SC Development Minister, respected Higher Education Minister, respected all dignitaries, respected principal, all students and all participant public who are participating in the Platinum Jubilee celebration of Vikram Dev College. It is great privilege to stand here and speak on the occasion of Platinum Jubilee Vikram Dev College. Koraput with her rolling mountain, undulation meadow, roaring rapid, enchanting waterfall and terraced valleys, leading up to verdant hill, feast I as few other districts can. Koraput with her golden autumn and misty morning of the monsoon month, her painted spring and slumbering summer and winter rearing from fires to mild, provides variety of living in different season, which is rare elsewhere. Koraput district is not only well known for its flora and fauna, but also for its dense populated tribal. I mind myself being a tribal lady is feeling privileged to speak few words enlighten the tribal culture and how the story can affect their present and future. First of all, I would like to thank our Honorable Chief Minister, Sri Naveen Patnaik ji, to bestow his blessing just before his arrival by way of declaring the Vikram Dev College as a Vikram Dev University. Undoubtedly, many new courses in near future will be introduced in the university, enabling the local as well as tribal from the interior of the Koraput district to avail the same. But with due permission, I would like to seek indulgence of our beloved and honorable Chief Minister to make necessary arrangement on the very initial phase to introduce certain PhD degree as well as integrated B.Ed course when certainly will grace our community, special tribal ladies. History is evident that tribal were not getting chance to study and come forward, but we are fortunate enough that due to future visualization and necessary action of our beloved CM as well as government on the tribal, even from the interior, could able to come and avail that study at Vikram Dev College. Moreover, I am certain that after declaring this college as university, this will go further a step forward their future and success. As the growth of women in today's era, which is being pushed by the government by establishing Mission Shakti and other reservation for girls students to prosecute their study in every subject by increasing strength in each faculty is highly essential at this crucial time to uplift the women and more particularly tribal students of this tribal populated undivided Koraput district. Thank you, sir. B.Ed College always known in history for its success journey in academic. The student passed out from this institution reached the topmost position in ladder. When talking about student, would love to express gratitude all the teachers for their dedication and effort. Thank you.
अत्यंत चमत्कार ढंगरे आज जिला परिषद अध्यक्षा मोर जनजाति बहुणी इंग्राजी अभिभाषण ये संपूर्ण भाव में माननीय मुख्यमंत्री आशीर्वाद जो आज ओडिशा रे संभव हो पारुछि। किसी छोटिया कथा नुहे बंधु, ये भल पाइबा जे सनक जल पवनर भेद नाही पुरुष जतिक जीव नारी जीव तई एक मान्यवर मुख्यमंत्री भीम बैक उक्ति को आज प्रतिपादित करिसेंती आपण मानक सम्मुख रे ओडिसा रे।
Thank you so much, Madam Melika, for those extremely encouraging words and showing us a great picture of women empowerment in Koraput.